everybody, my name is Abonaj Bear and today we're going to be...
This is something... Oh, okay, go ahead. Yeah.
Oh my god, this is something... Oh, Dad. So we're going to be doing the 2005 AMC 12A. Don't mind this, I was just explaining to Dad why Z should be written without a stripe. And yeah, today we're going to be doing the 2005 AMC 12A. Oh, shit! Okay.
Baby, goody luck.
Thank you. 2 is 10% of x, so x is 20, and 20% of y, so y is 10. So the difference is 10, yeah. Let's have the same solution. So that means bx is 8, and x is 8 over b. And 2x is minus 4, so x is minus 2.
What year are you taking now?
I'm taking
2005.
Yeah, 12A. B. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-ba-da-dum. Ba-dum, ba-da-ba-da-ba. Okay, I'll just be speeding through these fellas. So that's $600 for Dave. And Doug will spend, if he needs 8 windows, then he'll get 5 at 400 and then 3 more at 300. So Doug will spend $700. So that means that to get, if they purchase them separately, they spend $1,300. But if they purchase it together as an order of 15 windows, then all they need to do is purchase 12 windows, which is $1,200, and then get the other 3 sent to them for free. So they're saving $100. So let's say we have S1. The sum of S1 is 600, and the sum of S2 is also 600. So S1 plus S2 over 50, which is 1,200 over 50 is 24. Josh and Mike live 13 miles apart. Josh started to ride his bike towards Mike's house. Okay. So when Josh had started writing for T, so let's say, so they're 13 miles apart. So let's say he had traveled X miles in some sort of time T. And then Mike started moving. So then they eventually met up when he had cleared 2X, which would look a little something like this. And Mike had completed 13 minus 2x in some time 2t. So apparently, distance over time, so this was Mike's rate, is equal to, is 5/4 or 4/5 of this is equal to Josh's rate, which was x over t. So just canceling these out, 4 over 5 13 minus 2x is x. So 13 minus 2x is 5 over 4x. So that means that 13 over 4x is 13. And 1/4 x is 1, so x is 4. So that means that Josh had ridden 4 miles initially, then he had ridden 8 miles, so Mike had to have ridden 5 miles when they met. Sneaky little snitch. So it sort of looks like this, where this is root 50, this is 1, and this is, I guess, yeah, DG has to be 1, because BE is 1. All of those are congruent. And then AH is 1, and then GH, we'll say is x, where x is the side length of the square, so we're finding x squared. So that means 1 plus this, which is this squared, which is that, is equal to 50. X squared plus 2x minus 48 is 0, so we're looking for the positive solution here, which is minus 2 plus the square root of 4 plus 4 times 48 is 184, no, 160 plus 32, which is 192. So this is 14 over 2. So it's 6. So 6 is x. So that means the area is 36. So okay, so let's see. Let AMC be digits with that. What's A? Ow, ow. Oh, owie, owie, owie. Oh, shoot-a-dee. So we have a 3-digit number and something that can be no greater than 27. In 2005, divided by 5 is 401. Can that be divided by anything? I haven't tested it on 7. Really sure hope. Well, nonetheless, 401 could be the thing I was looking for anyway. Maybe prime factorization is just 401 times 5. That would make, oh yeah, that would make perfect sense, because the sum of this, and the sum of the digits here is that. Oh my gosh. What is 4? D. I don't know E's yet. Kind of concerning. Okay. So 4x squared plus a plus 8x. It only has one solution for x when b squared minus 4ac is 0. So when b squared equals 4ac. Now let's plug in our values of a, b, and c here. So b is clearly a plus 8 because of this. 4 times a times c. So that means that a plus 8 squared must be equal to 16 times 9, which is something. 4 squared times 3 squared, so it's 144. So a plus 8 is plus minus 12. So a is minus 8 plus minus 12. So the sum of the values is 4 and minus 20. So a minus 16. What did you? Okay. Wooden cube, n units on its side. It's painted red on all 6 faces and then cut into n cubed unit cubes. Exactly 1/4 of the total number of faces of the cubes are red.
Baby.
Baby. What? Okay. Well, in total, we have n by n on one side. So there are n squared red faces on one side. So 6n squared red faces on all of them. And the total number of faces is n cubed. And this is 1/4. So that means 6 over n is 1 over 4. And n is 24. Okay, shoot. Ouch. So let's see. So yeah, there are 6n squared total red colored faces, and n cubed. Wait, no, 6n cubed total faces. N is 4. Okay, B. Let's see. How fast did I complete the first 10 questions? Okay. Never actually started the timer. 11. Middle digit is the average of the first and last. What the? Well, they have to be the same parity to work, because even plus odd over 2 is a decimal, and a decimal can't be a digit. Go. Well, okay. So, of the even plus evens, there's 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, there are 4 choices for the first even number, because it can be 0, and 5 for the second, because it can be 0. So that's 20. And then we have odd plus odd, which is 5 times 5, which is 25, which is 45 pairs in total. There might be some of them that are a little defective. So, let's see. Are there any that are actually a little defective? What that they ought to do? What that do? Well, yeah, there've got to be exactly 45, because there are only 45 pairs of identical parity that can be made, and for each pair there is one of these fully functioning numbers. So I'll say that this is our first E. I'm not sure who would pick 41 or 43 or even 44. 42 is the only other rational answer that you would guess when you were desperate. Well, what is that line? The slope is 1,000 minus 1 over 100 minus 1. So 999 over 99, which is 111 over 11. So it was 111 over 11x minus 100 over 11x. Well, not 100 over 11x, just 100 over 11. What? So finally, 111x minus 100 over 11. So this has to be a multiple of 11 somehow, somewhere, some why. I'm stuck in a bad situation right now. Well, there are no 3-digit solutions here, and I'm afraid to step into the 4 digits, because then things get irregular, like 1221, 1332, and things get irregular with, let me see, there's got to be some sort of clever factoring trick here. Aha! So for how many x between 1 and 100 is x minus 1, a multiple of 11? Well, yeah. I mean, that's obvious. Since you can't use 1, that's already taken, you could use 12, 23, 34, 45, 56, 67, 78, 89, and you can't really use any more than that because 100 would land you at B. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so it's D. Nice. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They seem like just a bunch of trial and error. So what are the pairwise sums, I guess? Three plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 7 is 10, and 3 plus 9 is 12. 5 plus 6 is 11. 5 plus 7 is 12. And 5 plus 9 is 14. 6 plus 7 is 13. 6 plus 9 is 15. And 7 plus 9 is 16. Body, 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 be da, be da, be da, be da, be do, body, body, and we need to pick 5 sums such that each number shows up twice, exactly twice. Three plus 5, 3 plus, no, okay. 3 plus 6, 5 plus 6, 6 plus 7. Oh wait, it needs to have 5 terms. Oops, oh. Shoot. 5 plus 9 could be 1. Then we have a common difference of 1 here, 12, 13, 14. So we need to regress back to 11. 5 plus 6, 3 plus 7. You know what? That might actually work. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it does. 7, 7, 3, 3, 5, 5, 6, 6, and 9, 9. Yeah, it works. So it's 12. Okay, D. And just for fun, I'm going to see if I can make a star to match it up. So 3 plus 9, 5 plus 9, 5 plus 6, 6 plus 7. Nice. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay. That's pretty cool. Cool. Mind-blowing how there's only one possible arithmetic sequence that works there, not like more than one. Wonder how they tested that. Well, they did have computers, so okay. I think this is casework. So if an even dot gets removed, that is a dot on the faces 2, 4, and 6 gets removed, versus if an odd dot gets removed. Because, you see, if an even dot gets removed, we have one extra odd face. Meanwhile, if an odd dot gets removed, we have one less odd face. So, 1, 3, 5. Now, 2 plus 4 plus 6 is 12 out of the 21 dots. So, there's a 12 and 21 chance, and then once you roll it, you will have 4 out of the 6 odd faces being, 4 out of the 6 faces being odd. So, this is 8 over 21. Next, we have the odd dot gets removed one. Yeah, okay. Let's see. So if an odd dot gets removed, which is a 9 out of 21 chance, there is a 2 out of 6 chance that things work out. So 9 out of 21 is 3 out of 7. So it's 1 in 7, which I'll rewrite as 3 in 21. So the sum is 11 in 21, so let's say it's D, which would be 3 Ds in a row. If AB be a diameter and C be a point on AB, with 2 times AC equals BC. Shoot, okay. That's a complicated looking diagram, so let me try recreating it so I can play around with it. So here's A, here's B. We put C such that there's a 1-to-2 proportion. We draw the chord perpendicular to AB that goes through C. And this is D. And then, oh yeah, let's draw a center right here. So we have that standard. Then this slices right through all the way to E. And what is the ratio of DCE to ABD? God. That's not an ideal situation, though. I'm pretty sure this has to be perpendicular. I really hope this angle right here is perpendicular, but no promises, honestly. Oh wait, no, because of Thales' theorem. This is an overlap of point FIVO x. This is x and this is 2x. Womp domp, womp domp. Dee dee dum 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 dee dee dum. Oh my da dee doo dee da da dee do da dee do. I'm gonna call this F. Trying to find DFE minus CFE. Which, to be honest, if this is 8, AB is really bisecting the F, so this is also gonna be 8. Let's call this L, I guess. No, I'm just throwing around random variables. So 8L minus, this is half 8L. Oh, and this has to be X because of the, this is half, so this, because of the side ratio, I mean. So half 8X is what we're looking for, yeah. Hunty mama, hunty, hunty ho, hunty. So the square root of x squared plus 8 squared plus the square root of 2.5 x 6.25 x squared plus 8 squared is equal to 3x squared. Well, 9x squared technically. So that means that 7.25 x squared plus 2 8 squared is 9x squared. 2 8 squared is 1.75 x squared. So 8 over 4, 8 squared is 7 over 4 x squared. So that means that 8 was equal to the square root of 7 over 8x. So here, I have no clue what we have for ADB. Well, actually, what we do have for ADB is x squared plus 7 over 8x squared, and then 6.25 x squared, which I'm pretty sure is 25 over 4x squared, which is 50 over 8x squared, plus 7 over 8x squared is 57 over 8x squared. And this is 15 over 8x squared. So this is 57 over 8x. Okay, multiplying those two together and dividing by 2, we get root 15, root 57, x over 8 over 2. So, and this actually is root 3, root 5, root 19, x over 16. So it's 3 root 95 x over 16. Nice. Alright, and meanwhile, in the meanwhile, of the meanwhile, and by the meanwhile, Abraham Lincoln. We have 2 8, which is 2 add 7 over 8x. By the people, for the people. Eagle! Who won? Who's next? You decide. Epic rap battles. Okay. Wait, no. I'm dumb. Half root 7 over 8. Which is root 7 over 32x. Then we just have x. X squared. And then we have, oh, I forgot to multiply by x the second time. This would be square. And then we have 3 rad 95 over 16x squared. Oh my god, no. Yeah, no, I don't see it. Whatever, it was a good one. Wow, that's a big boy. I almost misread S as 8 at first. I was like, why did they write 8 so tiny? But no. I don't know why they have to clarify R is greater than S when literally every single choice is greater than 1. But yeah, okay. So just taking a quick inspection at this. Let's see. Can I deduce that much? Not that much, but let's try. Alright? No point in not trying. So this is S. This is another circle, which is congruent, but in a different location. I'm doing it. And this is another circle. And we have a big boy right here, which is tangent to a lot of stuff. Okay. No, mate. It doesn't look like a circle no matter how I draw it. That does not look like a circle, bro. You can't tell me that's a freaking circle, bro. Let's just fix up this one. It's slightly bulging. Still bulging. Great. So now I'm going to see if I can copy paste this. This isn't unfair. The people on the AMC in real life get protractors, so I should be able to do this. Plus, trying to copy it perfectly, it's a bajillion times harder than just using a protractor correctly. I think that could work, so just copy and paste it. Not the most magnificent fella, but it works. Let's bring him up here. Oh, this fella is not cooperative. Okay. It only looks good if it's like, yeah, it only works well if it's an actual circle, not just a poor imitation of one. really bashing myself for being a horrible circle drawer, huh? Okay, it works, I guess. This is R. So, given that, let's get straight to business now. We have two perpendiculars right here. So we have this line and this perpendicular. And then this line and this perpendicular. Yo, this looks like sight. And then we have, let's see. Oh yeah, and it's tangent to both axes, so might as well draw that in. Ba-dum, ba-dee, ba-dum, bye. Dim, ba-dum, ba-dim, ba-dim, ba-die. Ba-dim, ba-dum, ba-dim, bye. Ba-dum, be-da-bim, ba-dim, bye. Oh. Ba-dim, ba-dim, bye. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yeah, I'm pretty positive this can go through. Actually, no, I'm not positive. I'm negative. I'm negative. I don't understand where to go here. I'm not making any progress so far, which sucks. Sucks hard, but you know what also sucks hard? My ball. I shouldn't say that one on camera. I think I have an idea. What is this point in specific? This point right here is, well, this is 0, 0. This is SS. 2SS. What? No. S2S. S3S. And likewise, this is 3SS. So we can draw a line from here to RR of length R plus S, and a line from here to RR also of length R plus S. So the y distance is obviously R minus 3S, and the x distance is R minus S. And the whole thing is equal to R plus S. Okay. R squared plus plus 9s squared minus 6rs plus r squared plus s squared minus 2rs. Oh. So 2r squared plus 10s squared minus 8rs is equal to r squared plus s squared plus 2rs. So that means 10rs is equal to r squared plus 9s squared. Okay, this is not ideal. R squared minus 10rs plus 9s squared. R squared minus rs equals 0. So r times r minus s minus 9 rs minus s squared, or minus 9s r minus s. So r minus 9s times r minus s is 0. Either r is s, which we know is not true, or r is 9s. So we'll let r is 9s be true. D. Booty bada pita badi bada pita lopita lopita lopita. Pita lopita 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 lopita. It's some sort of tetrahedron. I'm kind of afraid to calculate its area, but I do know it's some sort of twisted tetrahedron. So, yeah. We have this sort of thing, 0.5 by 0.5. This length is 1, and it touches down on all of these three sides. And touches directly down on this one. Is there like Oh yeah, that's super easy actually. Wait, is it? No, it's not. Oh god. Soon. Let's just assume it is, okay? Let's just assume. As if assuming it's going to do us any good. But it's the only thing we can do right now. So the total area of the thing is 1. Now subtract that from this triangular prism. Wait, 3? That's what you mean. Okay, so this feller right here, what are its dimensions? I know that the area of any sort of prism is equal to the base area times its height. Now the base area, this is 1, and this is 1. The height is 1. This is area 0.5. So 0.5 times 1 is 0.5. So that means the area of
What number is on, baby?
17.
Oh.
Then 0.25. And we have this fella right here. We're going to just assume, even though we all know it's not true. Yeah, there's that little overlap where two of these triangular prisms intersect, and it's hard to imagine, but trust me, it's there. It's there, and it's annoying as heck. Oh, don't worry, man. I can't do much about it anyway. So, this has area 0.5 divided in 2, 0.25. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, I can't do it. I just can't. I'm not doing this. If it is composite but not divisible, so the smallest of them are 7 times some other prime number. Ba-da-ba-dum, ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum, ba-dum-ba-dum, ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-ba-dum. I'm sure there's some sort of double counting mechanism you can do here. Less than 1,000. That means 1 through 999. So that's 999 numbers we have to work with. Now, we have to subtract every single number that is divisible by 2, divisible by 3, and divisible by 5. But wait, there's some overlap with this. So we have to add every single one, which is divisible by 6, divisible by 15, or divisible by 10. So, I just noticed something. 35 is, no, the 35 isn't triangular. But 15 is triangular, and so is 21. 55 is triangular, but not 30. Okay, it's just a weird triangular number thing. So let's see. Oh, but then you're double counting some of them. So you have to subtract the ones that are divisible by 90, divisible by 60, and divisible by 150. Now, thankfully, none of the, if you multiply these to any number formed by them, will have a product greater than 1,000. So these are the 3 layers that we have to consider. So divisible by 2 essentially means even. Now, the number of even numbers between 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is the same as the number of even numbers between 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, I mean, there's 2 here. So how many are there? Well, it's 998 over 2, which is 499. So 999 minus 499. Now, what's the nearest multiple of 3? Well, 999 itself is a multiple of 3. So that means there are 333 multiples of 3. And 5, the nearest one we consult, is 995. 1,000 over 5 is 200. So this is 199 times 5. So that means there is most likely 199 multiples of 5. Then we have to add all the multiples of 6. What's the nearest multiple of 6? Well, it's 996. And 996 over 6. Well, 999 over 3 is 333. 999 over 6 is going to 999 over 3. 996 over 3 is going to be 332. So it's going to be 166. So 999 minus 499 minus 333 minus 199. Oh, I have to add plus 116. Or 166 rather. And then divisible by 10, well, we reduce it to 990, and then there are 99 divisible by 10. And 15 is also 990, I think we can use. So 990 and 15, I'm pretty sure makes 66. Then divisible by 60, 960 works, and anything after that is greater than 1,000. So there are exactly 16 numbers divisible by 60, 11 numbers divisible by 90, and 150, I think 900 is the last one we can use. So that's 6 that are divisible by 150. So this is the correct number. So it's 500 minus 532 plus 166 plus 99 plus 66 minus 33. So minus 32 plus 166 plus 132. So it's 266. Oh, shoot. So this is every number. That's how many numbers are not divisible by 2, 3, or 5. Oh, what ifs. Couldn't really care less.
How much longer is your life?
Pretty long.
You're gonna finish in 20 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, because I need to.
I need it. So basically, how many numbers does it skip? Which is essentially how many numbers contain 4 between 0 and 2005, I guess. Yeah, I think so. How many numbers contain 4 between 0 and 2005? Well, there's all the ones that end in 4, which there were 200 of. Because there were 200 start positions for that. Well, no, they're actually 201 because 04 works as well. So it's 201. Number skipped. Oh, and we need to amplify this effect with 10. Oh, no. Maybe this could work. Let's see. Yeah.
Where's the apple like pen? I mean, apple pen?
I could not know. I would not know. No clue, buddy. That's what I'm telling you. Owie, 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 ouchie, 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 ouchie. Excuse me for what I just did. C has to be something like mucho small, like 1, because as soon as C becomes 2, overload. Oh, it could also be 0 potentially, and maybe -1. No, that would cause B to not be an integer. So either C is 0, which has the case 1 equals B. So C, A equals 2004, B is 1, and C is 0. Or we have the case where C is 1, in which case A to the 1 equals B, so A equals B and C equals 1. So A is 1002, B is 1002, and C is 1. There are exactly 2 triples that work here. And if there is a third triple, I'm going to go mad. Does 0 to the 0 work? No. Because 0 to the 0 isn't defined. Yeah, I'm very sure that there are exactly 2 triples that satisfy this. Oh, not 19, 21. I swear, if there are not 2 triples satisfied. Nice, baby. Let's go. That would mean if log A and B is C, where C is an integer, then A to the C is B, which basically means, I think, you have to have integer multiples. Wait, log 2 of A of 2B is what in terms of A and B? Well, it's B log 2A of 2, and log AN of B is C, then A to the NC is equal to B. So that means that A of B is D, then A to the D is B. So NC is D, D over N. So it's B log 2 of 2, which is 1, over N, which is the power, which is A. Yeah, so, yeah, all we need to do is just choose B such that B is higher than A. I'm pretty sure that's somewhere close to 1/2. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Because 2 to the 20. times yep, 1 over 2 E rolled for 23. Fingers crossed. Wow. Darn. Oh, it was an integer multiple thing. I must have made a mistake in my log algebra or logjebra. What dotty dot? What? Yep. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm gonna agree now. You wanna watch?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Alright. So 1 correct, 2 correct, 3 correct, 4 correct, 5 correct, 6 correct, 7 right, 8 right, 9 right, 10 right, 11 right, 12 right, 13 right, 14 right, 15 I skipped. It was supposed to be C. 16 right. 17 I skipped. It was supposed to be A. 18 I skipped. It was supposed to be A. 19 I skipped. It was supposed to be B. 20 I skipped. It was supposed to be E. 21 right. 22 I skipped. It was supposed to be B. 23 wrong. 24 I skipped. It was supposed to be B, and 25 was supposed to be C, but I skipped it. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 right, which is 96, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is 20 extra points. So 116.
Wow, congratulations.
Okay, and let's see what the cutoff was. 116. Yeah, and 2005, apparently the cutoff was supposed to be whoop-de-doop-de-doo. The cutoff was 100. So, yeah. Oh, dang it. 4 points away from Distinguished Honor Roll.
Oh, dang it. So close, yet so far.
No, I got the Amy floor.
Really?
Yeah. The Amy floor was 100. I was talking about Distinguished Honor Roll.
What is it?
Alright, buddy. Bye.